Basically go to Java SE download, uh, Java JDK download. Just search like Java JDK download, and since Java JDK 11 is available, we will go ahead and install Java JDK 11. So under installation, we have a exe file. So let's go ahead and download it. For that, it needs it requires Oracle account basically. So I have go ahead and created one account. So it will be asking. So here you need to give your email ID and password. I'll give JDK will get installed. So go ahead and install the JDK. Just it's a matter of just a click next, next. It will install simultaneously. Meanwhile, it will take a while. Yes, it has installed. Okay, now go to this PC, and here you need to go to the set the environment variables basically. So go to the properties, and so here it is a new Windows 11 dashboard. So here go to advanced system settings, and here go to environment variables. Under this you need to give the path basically. So I think in my demo session I already have provided all the details. Let me delete those. Yes, this one is one basically. Yes, let me delete it. This one is my previous one. Let me delete it. Okay. For that, to give the environment variables, we need to go where Java has been installed. So basically it will install under C, under program files, under you will find Java. Under this JDK version will be installed. Under this we will have the bin folder. So under this bin folder it has some Java C files. So it will be looking for those jar and Java and some Java C these files. So basically you need to copy this file. So just control C and go ahead to the properties file. I mean to say the environment variables, create and create new. Just give controls V. That's it. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. That's it. And just go to Windows R. Press Windows R. CMD and enter Java hyphen version. Yes, that's it. A brand new Java 11 has been installed on Java